Hello and welcome to FarmSpace. So we're here with MCM, Multi-Construction Machines. So I've got Johan behind me. He's going to tell me about this company, where they started, what they do, and some of the construction machinery that they provide. Let's have a listen. Johan, welcome to FarmSpace.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Great to have you here.
So we've been trying to get an interview with you guys because, we've been standing here and just, got clients after clients after clients. So things are going well this year at Nampo, eh?
Yes, third day. We're very blessed, very excited. I'm sure it has picked up a lot. Wind has played along somewhat.
Yep.
Yesterday afternoon we had some rain. It was fun to see everyone scurry around under the gazebos and whatnot. But today is looking much better.
Perfect.
We've been running around constantly.
Yeah. So MCM, who are you guys? Where did you guys start? Tell us about your story.
MCM stands for Multi-Construction Machines. Big reason for that is our broad range in different types of equipment. We've got compact loaders, excavators, TLBs, and a bunch of other equipment. We started about 4.5 years ago, and started as a result of seeing a clear need for compact and affordable equipment in South Africa, seeing the gap, seizing the opportunity, and here we are.
And you guys are countrywide, correct?
Yes, MCM is doing distributing equipment nationwide. What makes that possible is because we have a after-service, shall I say, policy that sets us apart. We require that our clients seize the responsibility of servicing in their hands. They appoint their own qualified technician. Many clients have their own in-house mechanics. Big cost saving, big time saving. It really is a big advantage.
Perfect. Yeah, and let's get into the fun things here. We've got a 37X here. Take us through it.
37X here is our compact TLB weighing 5 tons. You're looking at 36.8 kilowatts or 50 horsepower engine. It's a Zinc-Chi engine, well known in South Africa, especially in forklifts. Service parts are readily available. The diesel consumption is quite phenomenal. Our feedback from clients is about, I would say, between 2.5 and 3 liters an hour.
Yes.
Giving fantastic breakout force for the size machine. And Pierre, may I say, it is an extremely well-priced machine. It's costing 495,000.
Yep.
Plus VAT and delivery costs from Cape Town. That includes the front bucket, the hydraulic quick hitch, the rear 400 millimeter wide bucket.
So everything attached.
Everything attached.
All the bells and whistles.
If I can point your attention to the attachments at the rear right now, it's the auger. The auger motor itself is in black, and then the red is the bit. Let's say 150 millimeter wide, 1.2 meter long bits, and we have different sizes and whatnot available. What's nice is we also, of course, cover the different attachments like a hydraulic breaker and so on. Very nice machine. Easy to service. The whole cabin lifts up with the help of a hydraulic pump. And the hydraulic tank, 75 liters, and then the diesel tank, 75 liters, swivel and exposes the entire gearbox also. So a lot of thought has been put behind this machine in terms of servicing.
Perfect. And what sort of companies are looking at these machines?
Man, to be honest, probably 70% is the agriculture market. A lot of farmers have been walking in and checking this machine out. We already have 3 that are sold. This one will be delivered to a client in Johannesburg. So as I say, 70% would be farmers looking for a compact machine, getting the job done in the front, getting that digging application in the back. And then the rest, we would say definitely is construction, light construction to medium-sized construction companies.
Perfect. So I had my eye on a little tractor on the back here as well. Take us through that.
Here towards the back, we've got our 40 HP agricultural model.
Yep.
It is a Dongfeng tractor. So MCM South Africa is importing the Dongfeng range. And very straightforward design. You've got a 4-speed gearbox and high and low gear ratios. So 8-speed forward, 2 in reverse. And it is our entry-level model. Quite popular, especially in clients with small to medium scale plots. Nice, manageable size, affordable entry-level cost bracket. So you're looking at 179,000 plus VAT and delivery. And it has that PTO at the back, the 2-speed PTO, and category 1 3-point linkage. So you can install a long list of implements.
And why is this so important for, if you're just starting out as a farmer, to get a compact tractor?
Sorry, I missed that.
Why is it so important if you're coming out as a beginner farmer? Why is it important to start off with a compact tractor?
I think it comes down to The width is important. Some clients have size restrictions. They want to get that tractor into a garage. Our latest client is a 304 G2 client. Will probably end there. And his one requirement was to be able to fit in that garage and still get the job done. So I'd say definitely a size restriction, and then damage to turf. You want a machine that's not going to cause a lot of damage to the turf. Definitely a state, how much noise is it going to emanate? It all comes down to those different factors.
Perfect. And we got the 20G here. What can you tell us about that?
Very excited about our front-end loader range. We have two different series. This is our G series. This is the 15G entry-level model. 20G is the machine you see before you. 94 horsepower engine. Lifts up to 2 tons in the front. And then finally our 25G. Listed here, not is the 30G and the 50G, which are even bigger models. To summarize in short, the difference between our G series and our RS series, which we'll come to now. The G series is a robust machine. Our clients generally for this type of machine is clients which are really pushing front-end loader, guys that are in light to medium-sized construction, and then guys who are really pushing the limits of a machine like this.
Perfect. Chat us about the maintenance of this machine as well. How long will it last? So asking question, how long is a piece of rope?
It's a good question.
Tell us about it.
Good question. Like I said, first of all, the accessibility to the engine, the panel at the back that can be removed, and then both the side doors that swivel open. So your preventative maintenance, it always comes down to that. What are the points to cover? You're looking at your standard engine checks. I'm not going to go over that, but then grease points are important, and things like going over, making sure there's no leaks present. So it's preventative maintenance is key. After that, you're looking at your parts durability. This machine here is equipped with a 74 kilowatts, 100 HP Unay engine. It's a 4-cylinder. Once again, quite straightforward engine. We're very happy with the performance. It's giving lifetime. You can expect to get between 2,000 and 4,000 hours out of the engine. All comes down to that preventative maintenance and how well the operator is looking after the machine.
Perfect. Let's take a walk over to your other front-end loaders there.
So right now we're going to skip the 12 RS, but from as in distance. But from here, the 12 RS, what sets this model apart is, of course, the telescopic boom, which you can see. Right now it's pushing up to 4.9 meters, which is a lack of height, especially for our farmers who are equipping a pallet fork or even a big bag mover, in Afrikaans, massa sucker bulk bags, bins, crates, guys who want to not lift, put multiple bags on top of each other, multiple bins, really comes in handy, that's for sure. Or even in the pakes, in the storerooms, that height really comes, like I said, in handy. Bunch of attachments. MCM, we realized the importance of a multifunction machine. So we really extend and we do a lot of research as to what the next big attachment is to provide the most benefit and value in South Africa in our different industries. So for this machine, for example, we've got about 40-50 different attachments, which is really nice.
So it's really taking multi-purpose machinery to the next level.
Yeah, absolutely. And a bit about the RS range itself. You're looking at more comfort. It has oscillating axles, so all 4 wheels give that 4x4 and that traction you need. Moving on, we've also got the compact construction compaction machines. Now this here is our 1-ton model. We did take a stretch bringing it to an agricultural show, but we are all about the diversity. This one is equipped with a Honda engine, as is the rest of our models. We have up to 3 tons, and from there we are jumping to 20-ton large, really land compaction, landfill machines.
Perfect. So what will a farmer use this roller for, ideally?
Really, as you know, in many of South Africa, we have problems with roads. So it is a good idea to have, for big scale farms, I would say, to have their own compaction machine at hand. This 1-ton is a nice manageable size. It is a ride-on roller, so it's comfortable for the guy to sit on to get that compaction you need once the road has been leveled.
Perfect. So, excavators, what can you tell us here?
Very excited about the 65 DS. 65 basically just boils down to the weight. It is weighing 6.5 tons, 49.2 kilowatts Kubota engine, and powerful hydraulic system. We're looking at the swing motor, the main hydraulic pump, the final drive, really key components that we've taken the care to put the most quality in there. Basic controls, you'd expect window folds open, 360-degree operator visibility, really nice and responsive hydraulics. Fantastic machine. Right now, I would love to show you that the hydraulic thumb is attached, and we are having this machine on a special right now for 695,000 plus VAT and delivery. That includes the hydraulic thumb and the quick hitch. It is only on this unit here. We have had considerable interest on this machine, especially in the construction and the agricultural market.
Perfect. So we got a little tractor there and a baler as well. What can you tell us about that?
That's our 30 horsepower machine. This guy is our utility range, the entry level with the attached FEL 300KS front end loader. What's nice is the 4-in-1 bucket you see and a mechanical quick hitch, so the farmer can look towards manufacturing his own or purchasing from us the bale fork or the pallet fork attachments. Very nice to handle, easy to operate. You've got effectively an 8-speed gearbox, 8 gears forward, 8 reverse, 4x4, and div lock.
Perfect. And this little baler at the back here?
B70 baler is nothing new. Of course, the first guys, I believe, is the Photon range. This is exactly the same. Your Photon parts fit on the B70 baler and vice versa. So it's just one model that MCM has imported. It's a very big special for a small baler, looking at 50,000 plus VAT and delivery. We only have 4 remaining in stock. It shoots out a 600 millimeter, very manageable bale size, automatic twine system, very nice. And then definitely the T250. We've got a bunch of telescopic models. The T250 lifts up to 2 tons all the way to the top, 2.5 tons at your ground level.
Awesome. So Johan, what I've gathered so far is, you've taken us through your range here and you've chatted about some of the prices. And there's some quality machines here for really affordable prices for the South African market. Is that correct?
That's absolutely right. Next year, you'll see us have a bigger stand so that we can show the visitors even a larger scale of what we have to offer. But this is what we could fit in 200 squares.
So yeah, now the fun questions. Why should a farmer choose you? What sets you guys apart?
Rian, as I mentioned in the beginning, I believe one important thing is after-sale service. The fact that the client has in their own power the choice to appoint a technician that's nearest to them, that they already have built up that relationship, that definitely plays a key role. From our side, we are available 24/7. We've got a team of really professionals in Cape Town that can answer questions, that can work together hand in hand with our clients to make sure that problems get solved as fast as possible. From my side, it's a family business that started MCM here in South Africa. Very proud about that. And that means that the client can be sure that we give that 110% everywhere possible.
Perfect. Where can we find out more information about you guys? Where we can read about all the specs, and where's the best place to contact you?
Best place to have a look. We've got a quite nice website, www.mcmco.co.za. Otherwise, the visitors are welcome to give us a call. The contact details are also available on the website, and we'll be happy to help.
Perfect. Jan, thank you so much.
Thanks.